Welcome to how to create a VHD on Windows 10 tutorial. This tutorial is intended to provide us guidelines on how to create a VHD on Windows 10 systems using the disk manager and the command prompt. The Powershell option have been excluded from this demonstration due to the lack of Hyper-V feature on some Windows 10 versions. First, go to the search box and type Disk Manage to open the Disk Management tool. At the Action menu, choose the option Create VHD. Now, specify the VHD location, type, and maximum size. On this demonstration, we will create a VHDX fixed file of 5 GB s. Once created, right-click on the left panel of the virtual disk and initialize the disk. Select the GPT option if your system drive have an EFI partition. If you use legacy BIOS, please select the MBR option. Now, right-click the unallocated space and create a new simple volume or partition. We will use the full capacity of the drive, so hit the Next button. Assign a drive letter and hit the Next button. Now, we will quick format the drive with NTFS file system and make sure to specify a name for the volume label. Finally, hit the Finish button and your new virtual drive should be mounted and ready to use. First, go to the search box and type CMD. Open the command prompt with administrator privileges. Now, type Diskpart to launch the Diskpart tool, then list disk to check our drives. To create a new virtual drive, type Create vDisk and specify the file location, type, and maximum capacity. In this case, a fixed VHDX of 5 GB or 5000 MB. Now, select the VHDX file and attach it to the system as shown. Double check if the drive was mounted properly by typing list disk. We use UEFI BIOS, so we will convert to GPT. Skip this step if you use legacy BIOS. At this point, we will create a primary partition, then quick format using the NTFS file system. We will name it example VHD. Now, assign a drive letter to the partition. Finally, type list vol to check if our virtual drive is mounted and ready to use, and exit the Diskpart tool. If you want to access the drive from the prompt, type the drive letter as shown and use the dir command to navigate it. Thanks for watching.